Hi everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel Classes with me. This is part 2 of our series. If you missed video 1 on plt.py, check it out first. We used the same employee dataset to analyze termination status. Today we are diving into Unstack in Pandas to create stacked bar charts showing employee counts by department over years. Let's connect the dots and let's get started. Same setup as video 1, you can see. We will be using pandas, matplotlib.pyplot, cbon and numpy. We are reusing the HR dataset from video 1 where we are taking care of employee ID, department termination status and year, right? So we use this data set so that we keep things connected. And code is in the description box plus in the Google Drive link. Building on video 1 categorical analysis, Unstack reshapes group data in pandas. It pivots a multi-index series like from group by into data frame with columns, which is ideal for stacked visualization like bar charts showing trends over time. First, we will give a variable name department year. In this, we will do a group by. So df dot group by. And what is df? Df is this thing. The data frame that we have used in previous video plus we will be using in this video. In group by, we will be using two columns, that is year and department. We will be using year and department. Simple, sweet and simple. In this, we will be using size, right? So why we are using this? We are using group by in years and department because it will count the employees per year department in a combination way, I mean in a combo. So creating a multi-index like year as outer, department as inner, like this way. Now next we will use unstack. In unstack we will give a parameter called fill value equal to 0. So fill value equal to 0 will be used here because unstack, what it does, it unstacks the inner index like department into column, filling missing values with 0. That's it. This is all about the missing values. What it will give you as a result, a table with years as rows and departments as columns. Right now we will be using plot and plotting with the variable name department year. So it is like this, uh, dept year department year, then we will write plot. Simple, sweet, simple, no worries for that. And I think we are missing something. Okay, we are missing this figure. We will give fixed size equal to 8 comma 6. Simple as that. That's what I'm thinking, we are missing something, and here also we are giving a spelling mistake kind of thing. So department year dot plot, what we will plot, we will plot a bar chart. So kind equal to bar. Simple as that. Right now we will give stacked, like do we want to stack the bars? Yes, we will give stacked equal to true. Simple as that. Right now we will give color for each department. So colors or color, yeah, color is there, sns dot palettes, and in this we will give pastel color like this one, pastel 1. In this documentation you will get each and everything. So in this what will happen, it will color for each department. Means from the starting, if I say for department year dot plot, it will stack bars for each year. So parameters like this color, this will add visuals like using pastel 1 palette, it will add a good visual. And this connect to video 1, like imagine, just imagine combining with pie charts for a full dashboard. That's the thing. Like if you are new here, you can see this pie chart. We will combine it with full dashboard, and when we run it, we will see a lot of things. Like let me show you this. Okay, here there is some issue is there. Hmm. What's the issue? Color palette should be used. We have directly used palette. Okay. C1 has no attribute color palettes. Okay, let's see this. Oh, palette is there. We have used palettes. That's the issue. So when we have run it, see, when we have run it, it is giving a beautiful visualization. And as I've told you, it there will be colors for each department. See, for years these are the three department HRIT sales. So HRIT sales are there. HRIT sales, HRIT sales, all those things, right? It is all about years and department. That's it, nothing else. So that's the thing. And right now we will be giving some title, some X label and Y label to keep it much more professional. PLT dot title. What title should we give? Like employee count per department. Okay, we'll give employee count per department and year. ठीक है? Department and year. And we will use font size equal to 14. We will also give X and Y label. So X label, what in present in X label? Years. Like if you want to see years, it is present here, right? And X label will give years. Oops, sorry. Years. And in this font size, we will give 12. Same we will do for Y label. For Y label, what we will use? We will use number of employees. We will use number of employees. For that, we will use font size equal to 12. That's it. Also, we will use X text. Like we will give some rotation. We will use some legend. Legend means the box. I mean to say, like this one, legend. This is the box, and we will be using this as well to give a more kind of out of the box kind of thing. So plt dot legend, and this we will use title. Legend is nothing but this one, department, DEPARTMENT, department. And as I've told, we will use X text rotation 0. X text is nothing but this one. This the labels that we have given, we will keep a rotation of it. Like if you have seen my previous video for the names of employee, how we have given rotation equal to 45 degrees. For that, we will use rotation equal to 0. X text, and we will use rotation equal to rotation. Do we give like this? No, rotation equal to 0. Right now, the end thing plt dot show. That's it. So when we run this, let's see, do we get any error, or do we find the proper? Okay. So this is what we have got. Employee counts per department and years. Department is there as usual, nothing has changed. See this, see the difference. Okay, I think I have changed it. Earlier the year was like this. Right now in 0 degree the year is on a proper basis. This Y label, X label is attached. This is the legend. That's it. Sweet and simple. 800 into 600, because fixed size it is 8 and 6. That's it. And this is the graph for us with Unstack. And as we have given the empty cells as 0, that's it. And that's all about it. So that's Unstack explained. It pairs perfectly with plt.py from video 1 for deeper insights. So I would recommend to try combining them. uh, with different kind of experimentation and different kind of thoughts from your own side. So please like, subscribe and comment your ideas. Link to video 1 is in the description box. So more series are on the way in this playlist. Till then, bye bye, take care, happy coding and happy learning.